I built 2 AI-powered digital products with Claude AI, and I'm about to show you exactly how they work, what they do, and how you can build the exact same kind of product yourself. If you've been thinking about starting a digital product business, or you already have one and you're looking for your next product to sell, stay with me until the end because I'm going to walk you through 2 real products I built, how they work, what makes them valuable, and then show you how you can build digital products just like this. The first product is Resume Builder, and this is the problem it solves. Millions of people out here are applying for jobs every single day, and most of them are stuck. They don't know how to write a resume that actually gets noticed. They also don't know how to write a cover letter that sounds professional instead of being generic. And hiring a professional resume writer can cost anywhere around $50. So I built an app that does this instantly, and here's how it works. A user opens the app and walks through a simple guided process. They enter their personal information, that is name, contact details, location. Then they add their work experience. The app lets them add as many jobs as they need with their roles, company, dates, and a quick description of what they did. Then their education, their skills, and finally their career goals. They'll also enter what job they're targeting, and if they have one, they'll enter the actual job description. And once that's filled in, the user clicks one button, that is generate, and behind the scenes, the app sends all of that information to an AI model with a carefully written prompt that tells AI exactly what to produce. And within about 20 to 30 seconds, the app delivers 3 things: a complete professional written resume, properly formatted with bullet points, rewritten with strong results, things that the user could add or clarify to make their resume even stronger. Then a fully tailored cover letter written specifically for the job they're targeting. The user can copy the text or download each document as a clean PDF ready to submit. So notice what's actually happening here. The app isn't just displaying information, it's doing real work that used to require a human expert. And because it's an AI-powered app, it can do that work for one person or even 10,000 people at basically the same cost. That's the shift. You're not selling a static template anymore. You're selling a service packaged as a software. The second product is KE Classroom, a communication app built specifically for schools. And here's the problem that this app solves. Schools struggle to communicate with parents, like important announcements get lost, fee reminders don't reach people on time, parents miss events because the only communication channel is a WhatsApp group, or a paper notice that a child forgets to hand over. KE Classroom fixes that with a simple, direct communication channel between the school and every parent. No app to download it is required. You only scan a QR code. I built it as a web app rather than a native app on purpose. That decision alone saved months of development time and avoided the entire headache of App Store approval processes. Parents just open a link and it works, or they just scan a QR code and it works. The app is built on real live infrastructure. It has its own hosting, its own backend. It's fully deployed and accessible right now, not just a demo or a mockup. This is the second thing I want you to notice. A great digital product doesn't have to be complicated. It has to solve one specific painful problem for one specific group of people. So here's the part I really want you to understand and to pay attention to. Why should you build an AI-powered app as a digital product instead of things most people default to, like ebooks or a PDF? So one is speed. A well-scoped AI-powered app can go from idea to live working product in days and not months. The AI does the heavy lifting. You're not writing thousands of lines of code by hand. You're just directing the build, describing what you want, and refining it. This is the biggest shift happening right now. Tools like Claude AI let you describe a problem in plain English and you get back a working software. What you really need is a clear understanding of a real problem, and the ability to direct an AI tool to build the solution. The margins are exceptional. Once an app is built, the cost to deliver it to the next customer is close to zero. No inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing. A resume builder that helps one person or 10,000 people costs you roughly the same to run. A resume builder is useful to a job seeker in London, New York, or Nairobi. You are not limited by geography the way a local service business is. Then the next benefit is that it compounds. Every app you build becomes proof for what you can do. It becomes a case study. It becomes content like this video. And it also becomes a funnel to higher ticket offers like coaching, done-for-you builds, or courses that teaches your exact system. Then it's also a genuinely underserved market. Most people teaching digital products right now are still teaching ebooks and Canva templates. Very few are teaching people how to actually build functioning AI-powered tools. And that gap is your opportunity. 2 apps, 2 completely different industries, job seekers and schools, same underlying system used to build both. That's the point. Once you learn the system, you're not limited to one niche. You can look at any problem in any industry and ask yourself, could an AI-powered app solve this? And in most cases, the answer is yes. So the obvious question is, how do you actually do this yourself? And the truth is, the technical part is the smaller half of the equation. The system that actually makes this a business, not just a fun project, has 4 parts. First, picking the right problem, because not every idea makes a good app. Then second, building the actual product with AI. This is where you direct a tool like Claude AI to build the interface, the logic and the AI integration that makes the app actually do something intelligent. Then third is connecting payments and automating delivery. A product isn't a business until people can pay you for it and receive it without you manually doing anything. That means setting up a payment processing system and automated delivery so that the whole thing runs while you sleep. Fourth is launching it. This is getting it in front of the people who need it. I built a complete system that walks you through every one of these 4 steps, and it's called the AI Business System Blueprint, which teaches how to build your own AI-powered digital product business using Claude AI. This is the exact system I use, the same one behind Resume Builder, behind KE Classroom, and behind every other product I've launched. Inside, I walk you through the full process, how to identify a product worth building, how to actually build it using Claude AI, how to connect payments so that you can get paid automatically, how to integrate AI APIs so that your app can actually think and generate real output, and how to launch it and get it in front of buyers. You also get 100 ready-to-use Claude prompts so that you're not starting from a blank page. You'll be using the exact prompts that go into building a product like the ones I just showed you. You also get a full launch kit so that once your product is built, you know exactly how to get it into the world. This is the exact documented process behind a live working AI business system. So now if you've watched those 2 demos and thought I could build something like that, you're right, you can. The barrier that used to stop people needing to know how to code isn't the barrier anymore. The link to join the AI Business System Blueprint is right below this video. Click it, get inside, and start building your first AI-powered digital product this week. Thank you so much for watching till here, and if this video was valuable to you, please subscribe, because I'm going to keep showing you the exact products I'm building, exactly how they work, and how you can build your own. I'll see you in the next one.